The Voice Cut edition. Today we have three interested singers that are going to give everything to pass to the final. That is going to be tomorrow. Here is our first contestant.
Hi, I am Sean Lilaya, but my artistic name is Lil Swan. I am 19 years old. I want to be a famous rapper. My idols are Lil Wayne, Lil Shan, Lil Pump, and Lil Pep. I'm from Pueblo Paleta. My family support me in everything I do, and they are why I am doing this, and I sing for them and for God.
TV on the beat. Gucci gang, oh,
That's it right now, T-Net.
Lil Pump, yeah. Gucci gang, oh, yeah. Big head on the Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't buy me no wetter rain. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spent 3 racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. Yeah, I can't buy no bitch.
Okay, look, Lil Juan. I think that you have a great future, but I think that something is missing in the presentation.
No!
This time I will say no, but you keep going. I think you can do something great in the future. Thanks for being here.
Sorry, bro. You have to go. Bye bye, fish. Now, with you, Rose.
Hi, my name is Rose. I'm 17 years old, and today I'm going to sing Say You Won't Let Go by James Arthur. Since I was a kid, I used to sing for my family and friends, and today, with their support and help, I'm here.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up, you made me feel slow, I was enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much, and I held your hand back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over.
You are awesome. Your voice is wow. You have a sweet voice and with a lot of harmony. I want you in my team.
Now, Jordan Skr.
I am Juan. I come from Alto Hospicio. I am 24 years old, and I am a big fan of Nicki Minaj and Bad Bunny. I am here because I want to make my dreams come true.
I never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Picasa. Shakira, Shakira.
Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise. attraction, attention. Don't you see, baby, this is perfection.
Your voice is awesome.
Thanks.
I think you have a big future. I want you in my team. Okay, we have our singers. Tomorrow you will see the final battle between Jordan Skr and Rose.
¿Tú di cuándo?
¿Cuándo? Toma.
Aplausos, tío. Producción total. Ya dale.
Sorry, bro. Se me olvidó lo que dije. Your boss.
I was stone cold sober.
Sí.
I want to dance with you right now. Right now, right now.
Tengo mucha calores.
Tengo frío, Juan.
Me voy a ganar un completo.
¿Ah?
Me voy a ganar un completo. De la playa. Con papita aquí.
Espérate. Well, I met